Hello everyone, here I'm showing you how to use Ogelz egg stamp to stamp on your eggs. First, visualize the front face of the egg and mentally divide it into 4 areas: top left, bottom right, and top right. Due to the egg is not flat, we need to stamp in circle around the egg face. Here's a test. Okay, we start, okay? So we start from the top left. Here we are. Okay, first, top left, and then bottom left, bottom right, and top right. Okay. Here it works. It's very clear and readable. Please stamp in circle in one time. Do not stamp back the areas that you have done, otherwise you will have overlapping patterns. Thanks for watching.